In the meantime, time remaining is 1:20.
Good counter hook by Mindoro.
Yes, and that forced INOUE to backpedal a tad.
Matapos ang 10 sunod-sunod na panalo via knockout at walang bahid na pagkatalo, ay naisabak na agad sa isang dekalibreng kalaban itong ating bida, ang Pinoy prospect natin ngayon sa Super Welterweight Division, ang binansagang triggerman ng Cavite, ang 23 anyos at 5'11 na si Wiljon Mindoro. Batang-bata pa, pero makikita mo na ang tibay at lakas nito. Puro knockout ang inabot ng kanyang mga nakalaban dito sa Pinas. Minsan na din itong nakitang nakipag-sparring sa isa pa nating pambato sa middleweight division ngayon, ang Olympic medalist na si UMAMIN Marshall. Pero di pa subok ang tibay at lakas nito kontra sa mga dekalibreng kalaban. Kaya naman, pinadayo nila ang Hapon na minsan na ding napalaban sa world title, ang kasalukuyang OPBF at WBO Asia Pacific Super Welterweight Champion na si Takeshi Inoue. Di basta-basta itong si Takeshi Inoue, dahil bukod sa napalaban na ito sa world title, ay nakalaban na din niya ang mga top contender sa division ngayon na sina Jaime Munguia at Team Zo. Kaya naman talagang subok na ito sa bakbakan. Undefeated ang Pinoy na may record na 10 wins, 0 loss, 10 via knockout, 19 wins, 2 losses, 1 draw, 11 via knockout naman ang dayong Hapon. Dihado na naman ang Pinoy sa mata ng karamihan at sa pustahan. Dahilan nila, di pa daw subok sa mga dekalibreng kalaban ang Pinoy. Pero sa araw ng kanilang bakbakan ay pinakita ni Mindoro ang lakas at tibay, sinabayan hanggang katapusan ang dayong Hapon. Sobrang dikdikan ang naging suntukan, kaya naman diniklarang split draw o tabla ang resulta. Sa isang post ni Takeshi Inoue sa kanyang Instagram account ay sinabi niya na sa unang bahagi daw ng kanilang laban ay natakot din daw siya sa lakas ng Pinoy. Pero kalaunan ay nakontrol din naman daw niya ang laban gamit ang isang diskarte. Ating balikan ang maaksyon nilang suntukan.
Pacific Junior Middleweight Championship.
For Filipino too.
Experts, INOUE that we all his win. That's a good size than I ever will be. When two knockout artists get on top of the ring, you were saying anything can happen.
Confidence and power behind all of those. Depends on your style, and I think a good straight. You know, the similarities between Mindoro and UMAMIN is pretty similar. The way they're throwing.
Yeah, yes.
You want to take your time. Being impatient can cost the fight. Oh,
Get
good
stumbled.
overhand.
You were saying?
Yes, like I
Boy
said.
stumbled.
And that rocked INOUE. And and usually when the knockout artist sees how important is the up delivered straight at the chin, round scheduled for 12.
To move backwards when Mindoro attacks. Because of his range, Inoue is just sitting right there in that. You see Mindoro trying to high guard, which it's fast when he comes in.
And he seems target. Rocking Mindoro a bit. Oh!
Because that will all come together. It hurt Inoue.
There is that part of the fight, Nonito and Rachel, where you have to be patient. Actually, it took Rachel to be here.
Coming in with overhand and hook, just like that. You
And
know,
for all you know, you could be. Round is coming down.
they need to advise him to throw his jab, keep that distance, and set up the right.
We are being treated to a great afternoon of boxing, and we've got Rachel
In the
and
first round,
Nonito to
he established. He was allowing in.
You can't walk.
Yeah.
You take lightly.
experience with 19 fights, and he also
You know, with this, the overhand from.
used to be the go-to punch of INOUE. He likes doing that.
Beautiful kata Manila Phil.
Boxing game. In the meantime, time remaining is 1:20.
Good counter hook by Mindoro.
Yes, and that forced INOUE to backpedal a tad.
I wouldn't be surprised if there's going to be a headbutt, clash of heads a couple
That
times.
could be possible. INOUE with his own version of the uppercut. Nonito, when you're in the ring, this
It's just you want to just hit. You just want to throw those punches and set up.
Here goes that uppercut again.
Here we go.
15 seconds left. Can you put him away?
And very clearly, when
Mindoro is winning this fight. He's hurt.
To Mindoro, 1 round to Inoue. Record, the way that he lost was by decisions only, so he has not been knocked out yet.
for Mindoro. Oh, the overhand that landed because again getting that distance, and this might be
his reach.
He's getting sucked into this brawl. Yes, I'll stay here. Why go outside when I can throw big point round?
this round.
As much as probably that first round.
Well, he's not throwing that jab, and that jab is not being. It's not dangerous to Inoue. Throw his overhand right.
There's been talking inside.
Seeing if what reacts.
He's looking for other angles to work with. Oh, there's a slip. There's a slip. Hang on, the referee. And there are big pans. You've been fighting mostly in the States.
Yes.
You've seen that.
You see how he just Mindoro just. And the problem with that is that he leaves that out there and gives Inoue.
I love watching the corner of Inoue. Their boy was sip.
Good uppercut, good overhand,
This is a 50-50 fight for Mindoro now.
and he's hurting Mindoro.
Oh, that's a
Mindoro.
good point. Like in this situation,
Momentum for Inoue.
there are some fighters that love the distance. They'll grind it out.
Distance. Now he's really trying to get right in there with Mindoro.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, and seeing good body shot by Inoue, and I think this is what happened in the early
I love that metaphor, phone booth. I wonder if there are still phone booths nowadays.
to pour you down in a corner.
Yeah, which might
Nice
not,
left.
which might not be the most prudent.
Create that distance right there. He's just very comfortable. He leans on him, which is exhausting for
Oh.
And when he's moving around laterally, Mindoro is actually reaching in.
Mindoro has not hurt Inoue yet.
This is exactly where Inoue wants to be again.
Yes,
His
It's
legs
10
are
seconds.
wobbly and very straight. Oh, an overhand from Inoue.
we're done. Half of the fight.
Inoue in the first round.
Because Inoue he would be able to uppercut.
You were saying? You were saying?
That
I
was
think
the
he's
uppercut
just
just
listening
hurt
to
him.
me.
Yeah, I think he has a beeline to your headset here. And Mindoro with a good. Boy, when the one fighter starts, fighters separate. The minute, it's a lot of work. Not throwing by Mindoro.
Inside.
Oh, the left hand is on target.
And the thing about powerful combination.
These are the middleweights, Benito Donaire Jr. as well as Rachel Donaire. A bit of redness developing on the left cheek of.
It's flush.
Bagamat draw ang naging resulta, ay masasabi pa din natin na may laban din talaga itong batang prospect natin na si Mindoro. Malakas, matibay at may stamina din. Kunting improvement na lang siguro sa galaw at ilang laban na lang ay paniguradong pwede na itong isabak sa mas malaking laban.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.